Morena and good morning from the corner shop. It's spring and the roadside rambling rose is growing, but we've had a huge amount of rain and wind. I know not as much as some parts of New Zealand, but quite a lot, and it's had a bit of a sad and sorry effect on my fabulous little I'm growing here rambling rose. I'm growing here whether you think you planted me or not, and I didn't. I think it's just kind of like spread. It has the most gorgeous little flowers on it, little roses, and the bees love it. I think I've put up an earlier little video of this. Look, it's as healthy as all got out. Talk about, they say grows like a weed, but that's my job probably for the next 2 weeks, getting this down and packed away. Just have a wee look at this side. You can see the wind comes belting down the road and it's taken that out, but also you can see it's almost like a tide hitting things. Here it's knocked over the red hot pokers. They're just in front of the fence. They're just so gorgeous every, I suppose, early spring, late winter. So there you go, wherever you are today and whoever you are, be safe. And if you can, if you've got the resources, be kind. Arohanui, kia kaha from the corner shop.